Add a touch of elegance to your living space with the Hamza Tech stainless steel center table. Built with a premium stainless steel frame and a rich brown glass top, this compact 18 by 30-inch table perfectly blends durability with modern design. The smooth lockable wheels allow easy movement and stability wherever you place it. Its dual-shelf design provides extra space for decor, magazines, or daily essentials, making it both stylish and functional. Sleek, sturdy, and easy to maintain, this center table is a perfect addition to your home or office lounge.